Alright, ladies and gents. Time for some hoops. First case of hoops. Andrew's done some, but I have not yet gotten to do any hoops. Hoops, hoops, hoops. Hoops, hoops, hoops. Is it one autograph or two? Two autographs on average. So, on average. Let's see what the average actually is coming out to be. Hopefully there's two in every box. After this, guys, Topps Update Jumbotron. Jumbotron. Who's that? Josh Hart. Derek Rosen. Shabazz. Numbered out of 2018, DeMar DeRozan. JJ Barea, Giannis, Muscala, Beasley, DJ Augustine. Is this numbered? It doesn't look like it. It's Larry Bird, purpley. Purpley. Picture perfect, Karl Anthony Towns. That's not a numbered card either. Gordon Hayward. Archaeologist. I'm an archaeologist. Donovan Mitchell. Trevor Ariza, Mikal Bridges, that's the first rookie. NBA City, Marcus Saul. Ooh. Oh, damn it. Hot signature rookie, Phoenix Suns. I thought we had done it, but we did not. It's Eli Okobo. I thought we had. That's not numbered. Well, we got him. Jerome Robinson, rookie. I don't know him. Kevin Knox. There's a good one. Musa. Kevin Durantula. Shiny action shots. Harkless. Kyrie. Rookie of Bryce Brown. Damian Lillard. Charles. I thought we had DeAndre, but we did not get him. Not yet, at least. PJ Tucker, Tony Parker, ish. Now 2018 Giannis. There's a rookie. Josh Jackson. It's Svi Mukilaki. Sorry, I have no idea how to say that name. Oh, Boston autograph. Gerald Henderson Sr. for the Boston Celtics. That is not a rookie. That is just a hot signature, baby. There's Marvin Bagley. Jonathan Simmons. NBA City is Kemba Walker. Lou Williams. Gosh, a lot of upside down dudes. Diallo, rookie. Melton, rookie. Wendell Carter, rookie. Legends of the Ball. Gary Payton. Courtney Lee, Dragon Bender. Michael Porter, rookie. Paul Millsap. Number 2/199, Reggie Miller, Indiana Pacers. Rodney Hood, Shaq. Denzel Valentine, DeMontis Sabonis. Backstage, Donovan Mitchell. Derek Favors, Wesley, and Marquise Chris. Rookie Mike, Miles Bridges, DeAndre Ayton. We got his rookie. Kelly Oubre, Klay Thompson. Porzingis, Magical Johnson. Trae Young. Road to the finals out of out of 999, Draymond Green. Blake, Kevin Love, Kawhi, Bobby Portis. What is this? NBA Hoops, Joel Embiid. Tip-off. I got a cracked ice or something. Out of 99, Brandon Ingram for the Lake Show. Green squares. And Colin Sexton rookie. Rookie of Mo Bamba. Mo Bamba! NBA City, Giannis, TJ Warren, Kevin Durantula, Chandler, Dwayne Wade. We got next Anthony Simmons, Wesley Matthews, Luka Doncic, rookie. Russell Westbrook action shots, Jonas Valanciunas, Enes Kanter. Tyler Dorsey. We got next Luka Doncic. I'm getting some Lucas. Andre Iguodala. Juan Moore, purple Jonas Valanciunas, and a picture perfect of John Wall. Kobe. George Hill, Justin, Darren Collison. I'm an archaeologist. Klay Thompson. Beverly Hills. Markelle Fultz, Lance Stevenson, Jerian Grant, Russell Westbrook, Damian Lillard, and Dirk Nowitzki's. Joel Embiid, Lonzo Ball, out of 2018, LeBron. Miles Teodosic, Russell Westbrook, Chris Paul, Jaylen Brown, Frank Kaminsky. Picture perfect is Ben Simmons, Dirk Nowitzki, DeAndre Ayton, rookie again, Drew Holiday, purple Derek Favors, and Legends of the Ball, Allen Iverson. Frank Ntilikina, Klay Thompson, Rudy Gay, Miles Turner, and number to 199, Dragon Bender, Phoenix Suns. Julius Erving, Gary Trent rookie, Jeff Teague, Dwayne Wade. Archaeologist is Mark Price. Rookie Shy, SGA, that's all they call him. Robert Covington. Celtics autograph, looks like. Robert Williams, the third hot signature rookie for the Boston Celtics. Celtics got 2 autographs already. Jim Henson's Muppets. Mo Bamba. Ryan Anderson, Jamal Murray, Markieff Morris, Nikolai Jokic, Troy Brown, Grayson Allen. Paul Gasol, Colin Sexton, Bojan, NBA City, Nikolai Jokic, OG Anunoby, and Mario Hezonja. Dario Saric, Rajon Rondo, Kevin Durantula, backstage pass, Tony Snell, Joe Ingles, Al Horford, Gary Harris, Steph Curry to 499 for the Golden State Warriors, Reggie Miller, Zach Collins, Zaire Smith, Josh Okojobi, Ben Simmons, Lou Williams, Al Farouk, Kevin Durant, Robert Williams III, Taurean Prince. We got next Jacob Evans III, Shaq, Courtney Lee, Dragon Bender, Kyle Kuzma, Andrew Wiggins, Zach LaVine, Victor Oladipo, James Harden City, Jimmy Butler, Jabari Parker, Aaron Holiday, NBA City, Russell Westbrook, Larry Bird, and Valanciunas. J.J. Redick, Drummond, Mike Conley, Dion Waiters, Purple, Wesley Johnson, DeMar DeRozan, Action Shots, Eric Gordon, Tatum, John Wall, Archaeologist is James Harden, Evan Turner, J.J. Barea, Giannis, Lonnie Walker, Moritz Wagner, Jared Vanderbilt, Karl Anthony Towns, Trevor Reezy, Tobias Harris. LaMarcus Aldridge, Bojan, Kent, Nicholas Batum, and Terry Rozier out of 2018 for the Boston Celtics again. Serge Ibaka, Kyrie Irving, Larry Markkanen, Steph Curry, Hassan Whiteside, Damari Carroll. Amplifiers, Russell Westbrook, Jerome Robinson, Tristan Thompson, Ben Simmons. Out of 99, Green, Robert Covington, Philadelphia 76ers. Thong Maker, Clint Capella, Marcus Morris, Nikolai Vucevic, Otto Porter, and looks like another Celtic. It is. Holy crap. D. Brown, Hoops Inc., Boston Celtics autograph. Not numbered, but Celtics have 3 of the 4 autographs. Rookie, Jaren Jackson, Alfred Payton, Damian Dotson, Charles Barkley, Danilo, Draymond Green, DeMar DeRozan. Trae Young, Tyreek, John Collins, what's this? Picture Perfect, Damian Lillard, Kyle Korver, Chris Dunn, City of Lowry, Abdul Jabbar, and Eli Okobo. Dion Waiters, Victor Oladipo, Shaq, Kristaps Porzingis, Mike Conley, Wesley Johnson. We got next Chandler Hutchinson, John Collins, Buddy Hield, CJ Miles. We got next is Kevin Knox, Larry Shamet, Kareem Abdul, Elia Kobo, Jonathan Simmons. Out of 2018, Joel Embiid, road to the finals. Jacob Evans III. Action shot, John Wall, shiny. Joel Embiid, Lonzo Ball, Jimmy Butler. Kelly Oubre, Malik Monk. Dwight Powell. NBA City, Tobias Harris. Chris Paul, Jaylen Brown. Dwayne Dedman, Gary Trent, Backstage Pats, Anthony Davis, Robert Williams III, Zaire Smith, SGA. Got Joel Embiid. Wiggins, Zach LaVine, Reggie Bullock, Chandler Parsons, Maxi Kleber. To 199, Terry Rozier. For who? Boston Celtics. JJ Redick, Kyle Kuzma, Devontae Graham, Grayson Allen, Allen Iverson, Steve Kerr, archaeologists. Jamal Murray, rookie Troy Brown, number 2, 999, LeBron. Lonnie Walker, Moritz Wagner, OG, and a purple Kent Bazemore. John Wall, picture perfect. Hoops, Detroit Pistons autograph, Henry Ellenson. Hoops Inc. Hoops Inc. Josh Okogie. And a Kyrie Irving amplifier. Michael Porter, Diallo. Nikolai, Charles Barkley, Andre, Keita, Bates Diop, James Harden. What? Huh? What? Giannis, road to the finals, LaMarcus Aldridge out of 2018. Gordon Hayward, Zach Randolph, and flip. Jared Vanderbilt, rookie. Picture perfect, Donovan Mitchell, Dennis Schroeder, Kyrie Irving, Trevor Ariza, John Wall, NBA City. Mikal Bridges, rookie card for the Phoenix Suns. Archaeologist Paul George, Kevin Knox, rookie. Rookie Jerome, out of 99, Ben Simmons for the 76ers. Giannis, purple. And Kareem, Legends of the Balls. To 199, Miles Turner for the Indiana Pacers. There's Svi.
Hello.
Little freaky NBA City, Dennis Smith Jr., Marvin Bagley, rookie. Everyone heard that, right? Hot signature rookie for the Minnesota Timberwolves, Josh Okogie for the Timberwolves. Just said, hello. Nothing else. Hello.
Just wanted to greet you.
Hello. Those fit?
Huh?
Those fit?
I haven't tried them on.
Oh. Your what? MeUndies? Jeff Green, LeBron out of 499. Road to the finals. Rookies, Trae Young, Jaren Jackson. Hoops, Steph Curry. Hoops! Damian Lillard. Action shots, Kyle Kuzma. We got next Aaron Holiday. Shaq out of 2018, Bojan Bogdanovic. Out of 99, Steph Curry, Golden State. Greenery for the scenery. Legends of the Balls, Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, Chandler Hutchinson. Oh yeah, sorry, here. Ray Allen is an I'm an archaeologist. Because Francine, I'm an archaeologist. You know what that's from? Huh? What kind? Did you kill it? Yeah. Yeah.
Should we watch that show again?
It's on Hulu now.
Yeah, we should watch it. It's been a while.
It's been a while since I gone things up. Hoops, Inc. Ish Smith. Detroit Pistons. Hoops, that is. Yeah, there you go. Kyrie. Luka, rookie card. Luka. Road to the finals out of 2018, Surge. Sometimes I wish that was my name. Surge. Charles Barkley, Jacob Evans, purple rookie. John Wall. Svi. His name is Svi, kind of like Shmi. Donovan Mitchell, picture perfect. Mo Bamba. Gianna City, Anthony Davis, Colin Sexton. Utah Jazz, that's a good one. Grayson Allen autograph for the Utah Jazz, baby. Hot signature rookies. I know he's good. And there's Lonnie. Lonnie! What are you doing, Lonnie? Oh, did you see the thing I tagged you on Instagram? I knew you were going to say that, but still you have access to it.
Yeah, but I don't get like notifications.
I know, but I can always just tell you and then you can check it out. I thought it was badass. We got next Wendell Carter Jr. NBA City Kevin Love.
Is that like a poster?
It's like a painting, like canvas, looks like, huh?
I like how it still has like Japanese, I don't know.
Where?
The characters on it.
Let me see. Oh, in the back, on the top. I'm sure that it's just the title, probably. It's in Japanese. DeJounte Murray, purple Kyrie Irving amplifiers. DeAndre Ayton. Picture perfect Lonzo Ball. You need to watch that again, so I can really understand it. NBA City Victor Oladipo.
You saw the hung up the other one.
It's going right there. We know where it's going.
Remove all that stuff.
Aaron Holiday, Amari Spellman rookie. Out of 199, Justin Jackson, Sacktown. Out of 199, Grayson Allen, rookie for the Utah Jazz. And we got next is Kevin Huerter, and rookie of Moritz Boringer. Remember him? I miss him. Moritz Boringer. He's on the Vikings, I remember.
Fun name.
He had a fun name. And he would always come out because nobody ever wanted him. So you know he would always come out. Or Justin Hardy, don't you miss him? I don't even know if he's in the league anymore, I'm going to be honest with you. He was on the Falcons, right? Was he the same year as Devontae Freeman?
Because you'd always want Freeman.
Well, he's definitely better than Justin Hardy. And he's like, I'm here just for Serena.
I remember we'd open a lot of, what was it?
Playbook, I thought.
Playbook.
Wasn't it Playbook you always got it in? They brought Playbook back this year. December, I think. December or January.
I like Playbook.
Oh, I love Playbook. It's small, short. It's $5 and it's 15 bucks, so you can do 3 $5. I love that.
Well, and I like how you get like some of the like inscribed Playbook ones were really cool.
Or the ones where they draw the plays.
on
That was
them,
the cool ones. Wendell Carter, Marvin Bagley.
Well, that was the cool thing with those two is you had a lot of room to put on those if you wanted
Yeah,
to put
I know.
something cool.
79/99 Malik Monk going to the Charlotte Hornets. And I know they announced Prism Basketball again, but apparently it's going to be even harder to get this year. Kevin Knox, rookie. Jalen Brunson, rookie. Anthony Simmons, rookie. To 2018, Nikolai Mirotic. Prism Basketball. It's it's going to be super allocated again. Last year was rough, but this year's supposed to be even rougher. Rough. Trey Young, rookie, we got next. Larry Shamet. Can't be Diop. I don't know what his name is. Channing Frye autograph. There we go. Cleveland Cavaliers, Hoops Inc. Jacob Evans III. Channing Frye. I really hope they don't bring back Essentials or Status. Those two need to stay gone. And if they do Chronicles basketball, they need to stick in hits of those other products. That was the big flaw that they made last year with Chronicles basketball. They're doing certified basketball. I don't think I've ever seen certified basketball. Have you ever seen that? That's the first year I've seen it. Certified basketball? This might be the first year they've done it in a long time then. Hey, there's Charles Barkley. Legends of his balls. Jerome Robinson, rookie. Russell Westbrook, rookie. Chandler Hutchinson. We got next, rookie Luka Doncic. Luka! There's Barkley again. 76ers getting an auto. Landry Shamet. Hot rookie. There's another Luka rookie. Gosh, we got a lot of Lukas. Legend of the Balls, Ray Allen. Elliot Kobibo. Out of 199, Marvin Bagley, silver for the Sacktown Kings. That's a nice one. Shmee. Now, is it Shmee from Captain Hook's friend, or is it Shmee from Star Wars? It's what? Smeagol? What's Schmeagol? And Siegel? And what?
Smeagol.
Oh, Smeagol. Shmee.
Smeagol.
And Seagulls.
Never mind the first part.
My precious.
Where I just looked at the clock and it was like 8 o'clock and all of a sudden it's
8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. I'm in my drop top, but in the dark.
cruising the street.
There you go. I just said da-da-da-dum. I got it. We're gonna get copyright infringement. Just joking. If we did, then we are impressive singers. Out of 2018, Donovan Mitchell. Michael Porter Jr. rookie. DeAndre Melton. Actually, it was DeAnthony, but we'll go with DeAndre.
I'm sure we get some of the words wrong, so that's good.
Gary Trent rookie. Backstage pass, up close and personal with Donovan Mitchell. Why not?
Get all up in that bubble.
SGA, baby. Rookie. I'm an archaeologist. Donovan Mitchell. Devontae Graham. NBA City, Mark Gasol. Grayson Allen rookie. Maxi Kleber. Purple. Tyreek Evans. Karl Anthony Towns. Mikal Bridges. Dante DiVincenzo. NBA City, Ben Simmons. Jonathan Simmons. Richard Simmons. Gene Simmons. Andre Drummond. Joel Embiid.
Mr. Simmons.
Who's Mr. Simmons? That's the teacher of my son. I'm an archaeologist, Dirk Nowitzki. Julius Randle, Paul Millsap, Donovan Mitchell, Robert Williams, Zaire Smith, Joel Okogie. Okogie. Out of 2018, LeBron James and Kevin Durant. I want a hoagie.
A Hulk sandwich?
I want a Hulk hoagie.
That sounds like it'd be massive.
Dude, we're gonna start a sandwich shop. We're gonna call it Hulk Hoagies.
I'm
And
down.
all we do make is really big hoagies.
I'm down.
That's a brilliant idea. But we have to get endorsed by Hulk Hogan. It's the only way we can do this. Alright guys, let me put this one away.